Hey Wonder Fan, before we start this video, gusto ko lang i-shoutout ang Adobo Video Fest. They sent us an award para sa video namin na my Filipino wife is crazy jealous. Ayun, we won the best comedy skit in the Adobo Video Fest. Ayun, so thank you so much Adobo Video Fest. I'll leave a link to their page in the description. Ayun. Okay, eto na ang video natin. Are you ready, Nitro? Yes? May lalamay. Mga pinsan niya yun. Alright, eto siya. Alright, mabuhay Pilipinas. We are at the airport with Mami Shanta, Grandma, Grandpa, and Nitro. We are going back to the Philippines. Hindi ako natulog kagabi. I was packing all night.
Ako 1 hour.
Yeah, this is not gonna be fun. Are you gonna ride the airplane, Nitro?
Yes, big airplane, huh?
Is it a big airplane? Yeah? Oh, ang lamig, sobra. Grabe. So we're here at the airport now. Sa loob with Mami Shanta. And we are gonna board the flight. And then sina Nitro, Grandma, Grandpa. Oh, grabe.
Kanina gabi, 1 hour lang yung tulog ko. Si Dern walang tulog. May vlog po sila mom at dad sa SeaWorld. Pero namatay yung camera nila.
I use it every minute of it. Don't know what to say.
Ito sa akin, ito kay Dwayne.
My papa.
He said, no, my papa. Hi, Nitro.
My papa.
Nitro, what's your name? What's my name?
Mommy Santa.
Good boy, what's his name?
Daddy Faye.
Very good. No, Nitro.
This way.
This way. This way.
That's it, Nitro. Let's go, Nitro. Come on, let's go. Thanks.
Come on, Nitro.
Come on. Let's go, go, go. Nakapasok na kami sa security. Here we go, going to the gate. Oh, airplane, Nitro.
Oh, that's the old 1950s.
Old place, yeah.
The old paint job, anyway. See the airplane?
Big one.
Going on the big one? Yeah, that's going on the big one.
Just teaching him how to share. Good boy. Okay, you can eat now.
Almost like piano and Lucas here.
Yeah.
Please see stop at gate house 20.
Oh my God, big airplane.
Careful.
Oh no, big dogs. A big one.
Yeah, people going to big airplane.
I'll go airplane.
No, probably not going on airplane. Not this time. But I'll come over later on the airplane. Yeah, after Christmas.
Ooh.
Manu po. Again.
Did you Manapal?
Manapal.
Oh, good boy.
It's gonna go down on your nose.
You gonna wipe your nose with the Manapal?
You say, love you, Mama.
Yeah, you, Mama.
Oh, I love you too, baby.
You say, love you, Papa.
Yeah, you, Papa.
Look at Mama. Ako liwan.
I say bye-bye. You go
You say, bye-bye, Papa. Say, bye-bye, Papa. Say, bye-bye, Papa.
See ya.
Hila. Nigel, say bye-bye.
Like this. My baby. Grandma's baby. Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye. Nitro, say bye-bye to Mama, Papa. Okay. Bye, Mom.
got a baby?
Yeah.
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Des Robbins, my name, your customer service manager, leading the team in a main economy cabin. This morning is Gary, on behalf of Captain Craig Campbell and the whole team. Locker, smaller ones underneath the seat in front.
How about burger rings? Do you like burger rings? You say yes, mommy.
It's Mama.
Good.
Haru.
What?
Boy, Haru.
Oh yeah, bye Haru. Bye Haru is sad. Bye Haru. No, Haru will fly with us. Haru will fly with us. Haru will fly in the airplane.
And so ready, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Whoa.
Are you ready?
Ready? Take off, aren't we, Ann?
Go.
Go. Yeah.
Oh, you're flying.
Flying. Yeah, flying. Woohoo.
You know, nag-iba ni Chua.
Whoa, we fly in the sky, hey. Yeah, woohoo.
Okay. On an airplane. Yes, I'm on a big airplane.
All done.
What's all done?
It's all done.
The airplane?
Yeah. It's all done.
No, we're still flying.
Still flying.
Yes, still flying. Huh?
Wake up.
Daddy, wake up. No, Daddy's sleeping. No, it's Daddy's tired. Be quiet.
Hey, watch TV, look. Yeah. Hey, look outside now, from the clouds. Wow.
Say wow. You say? Why? We're almost there. Sydney.
Yeah.
There you go, big one.
Yes, yay! We go to the big one.
Nandito na tayo sa Sydney Toronto Fam, Sydney Airport. Nag-landing na kami. Nitro is
Did you say
eating.
hi?
Yeah, hi.
Nitro
So,
was a
papunta
good
kami sa
boy.
connecting flight namin, papuntang Manila.
Nitro was a good boy. So
Yes,
far.
he was. So far, so good. Tingnan natin. No way.
Nitro.
Daddy's phone.
Daddy's using his phone.
Mommy's phone.
Mommy's using her phone. Ito na po tayo sa Sydney.
Mommy, make a cup.
Milk in a cup. Okay.
So, habang kami naghahintay sa flight namin, mag-order muna kami ng McDo. Ayaw.
Is that Daddy's? So, Nitro, you're going to the Philippines.
No.
Is he sleeping?
Very sleepy na.
Hey boy! Pinipiraw na hiyo. Tulog na si Nitro.
Nitro is very sleepy. Natutulog na.
Ito ay puno na, pwede niyo pong sarayin lang.
Yummy!
Cheese. Cheese.
It's yucky, it's yucky. It's yucky, baby. It's yucky. Oh, careful. Careful. Yeah.
No, you're not gonna fall.
You'll be fine. Okay? You let it change your
I'm
bum?
gonna fall.
No, you're not gonna fall.
Oh, we got to land, Nitro. We're gonna land. Masakit daw yung tenga ni Nitro. Kaya binigyan namin ng lollipop.
Nag-beautifulize ako.
Hey, Nitro.
Ready.
Land.
Wow.
We made it. Sa wakas, dumating na.
Real and
Hindi na alam yan. Silly boy. We're in the Philippines now.
No.
Yes, we're in the Philippines again. This is where you were born.
Real and
Ang tsaka ko na best. Nitro.
Oh, we made it, buddy. We're in Manila.
Yay! Nitro, stay here. Come here. Gatay po tayo ng... Nitro, you say hi! Pag-lose ka man, hindi mo kuhan. Nagbabag na sa dito.
Oh baby, wherever you go, I'll pray the angels remind you
Ayun yan, ayun.
and I really wanna take you home to mama.
Hey guys, nandito na kami. Naghihintay ng shuttle bus papuntang hotel namin for the night. So, isang araw kami dito sa Manila and then the next day, uwi na kami sa Leyte.
Yes. Wow. Look, Nitro, it's not even Christmas. Ano? Baby Nitro. Oh, Nitro, look. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Hilton. Tingnan natin yung, toilet. At saka bathroom. Maganda. This bed. And then, meron tayong parang receiving area. Anong parang receiving area nga? And then, office desk.
Look, Nitro, look here. Look here, Nitro. Look. Wow. Whoa, look, Nitro, look, it goes so far down.
Nitro is in the bath at the Hilton! Yay! Oh, having a social bath. Hey, buddy. Yes. Social ang bibig yan. Alright, Don't You Fam. We have showered. We feel great again. And matutulog na kami.